Hello guys, Brandon here. I'm gonna show you step by step how we done this project. So this is the day we started. I will be showing you what we're gonna do here. So we're gonna remove that tab. That tab needs to come off. All the tiles, everything here is need to be brand new and fresh. So we're gonna remove all the tiles, all the skirtings. As you can see, the walls, we're gonna re-skim it again. And in this room here, it was a kitchen, and now the client decided to make it a bedroom with an opening space. So we're gonna remove that sink there, all the tiles off. We're gonna leave that cupboard there. On top, all the window window vane will be closed, and yes, it will be closed. And on that door there, we're gonna make a big opening there. So yeah, you can see the tiles off. And in the last room, this is where the kitchen will be, and especially on this window, the kitchen will be there. All the vents will be closed, and all the walls need to be scraped down. Make sure we protect them from the damp. And as you can see, it's nice. So as you can see, the machine was waiting to go from outside. What we're gonna do here, let me show you as soon as we get out. Yeah, so that you can see. So outside here, we're gonna remove those blocks, paving blocks, pavers, you can say it any way you want. We're gonna remove them, and once we remove them, we're gonna install them back because the ground was not level. As you can see, that side there where water was seeping in, it makes a slope there, and that braai, we're gonna remove it totally, and it will be just plain there. So that's what we're gonna do. And on the other side, we're gonna make sure that we remove some of the blocks, then we install them to make that yard full. Then yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Then we concrete it at last, or we put pavers in. Then yeah, you can see the other day we came again. Now the tiles are off, skirtings are off, all the tiles, everything is removed. As you can see now, in the bathroom, there's no longer tiles there. It's nice, it's going well. So now we just have to remove the basin, the tub, and the toilet. But we are going to remove, in this case, we are going to remove the toilet seat at last, because as people are working, they need to use it. So we're going to remove it last. The veins are closed. The veins are closed. The tiles off. The walls are already prepared. You can see that side. We open that opening. We put a lintel on top, and now we're just going to skim the whole area, the whole house. You can see also from that room, the cupboard is no longer there. It's just empty. The kitchen is no longer there. Nice. So yeah, we are going to that room, the other room where I said the kitchen will be. That's where the kitchen end to be the sitting room or dining room. Then yeah, you can see there the veins are closed, the wall has been scraped, and now the time has come where we start skimming. In this case, we are skimming the whole place, and it went very well with the skimming. As you can see, the guys are busy skimming now. Everywhere will be skimmed, and this room where we say it's bedroom, it's gonna be skimmed. The cupboards, we didn't remove them, and the cornices. So on the cornices, we decided we're not gonna remove the existing one. As the client says, we don't remove it, just install another one on the cornices. Only those that are badly damaged, that's where we remove. And you can see at the backyard, everything already changes. where we remove the pavers, we put the bricks there, and you can see on that rotten part on the, and the walls are already skimmed. Wow, this is amazing. Please guys, I want you to like, share, subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. Thank you so much. And as you can see, the walls are already skimmed. Everywhere it's skimmed now. It went very well, and it's nice. And you can see it's nice. In the bathroom now, we remove everything, the tub, the tub, the basin, everything removed. And you can see now we're installing new cornices. We open a trapdoor there, as you can see. Now we are putting the cornices. Some are just touching up on the where we were skimming. Just make sure everything is smooth and nice. And it is really, really amazing to see how this place has been just transformed to another dimension already. So yeah, as you can see, the new cornices are on. It's amazing to see this. And now you can see now the walls are already white. There's already primer on. The primer is on. You can see in the bathroom. And here we were showing the client that you can see everything is primed. And this is where the shower will be. Everything plastered and primed nicely. Nice. And also the door handles are still on. Still nice. And then here everything is nice and on there. We just put primer on. So once we done the second coat, and we're showing also the plugs that are there. These are old plugs that are already there in the whole place. Yes, it is really amazing to see how this place has been transformed, and from outside. So what happened is, with this door, it rained, so now it didn't want to open. So I didn't want to force it, because the previous night it rained, so the water get in there. So now I'm gonna show you now the final look of it. You can see in the room now, everything painted. This is how it looks now. This is how it looks. You can see on the ceiling, you can see there, everything white. This is amazing, guys. If you have any question, please leave it on the comment. I would love to know where you really want us to focus on when we are doing the next video on the next project. What is exactly specific where you want